How to change head of household on TaxAct. Sign into your account on TaxAct and open your current tax return from the dashboard. Go to the Basic Information or About You section where your personal details are listed. Look for the Filing Status area that shows your current status. Select the option to edit or update your filing status information. Move through the personal information questions until the filing status page appears. Choose Head of Household from the list of filing status options provided. Read the explanation about eligibility for Head of Household to confirm it applies to you. Continue to the next screen and answer questions about your household situation. Enter or review the details of the qualifying dependent who lives with you. Make sure the dependent and household information is correct before moving forward. Save the updated filing status so the change is applied to your tax return. Review the rest of your tax return to ensure everything is accurate before filing. Thank you for watching.